Welcome to this Quadpro support video where I will show you how to create an asset. Assets are stored in the asset register, which can be selected from the main menu on the left. Here you will see a list of all the assets in your site. To create a new asset, select Add at the top, and the asset record form will appear. In the top right, you can see the asset number. Type in the asset name and select the type, category, attribute, and the department where the asset is located. All four of these drop-down menus can be customized in the asset menu in the glossary. Now we will select where this is located. At the bottom here we have two custom fields, so for me I've got model or reference and serial number, but these can be customized in preferences. If you wish to create automatic job requests for this asset, you can tick this box, or leave it blank if you don't. If you wish to assign a staff member to look after it, you can select them from this drop-down menu. If the asset is a compliance-related asset, you can tick that here. This is a different aspect of the module, which is outlined in a different video. You could enter the purchase date and the guarantee date for the asset. You can also enter the barcode if you want. Enter the cost and the current value of the asset, and also the estimated life of the asset in years. If you get rid of the asset at some stage, you can tick this box, which will let the system know that you no longer have it. You can also use this asset record to create a group of assets. So if you had 5 of these, you can enter that in the box here, and then you can manage all 5 assets from one asset record. To add an image to that asset record, first navigate to the image and open it. So I've got mine here. Then either right click and copy or go to edit and copy, and then head back to Quadpro. Right click in the photo box and select paste, and the image will be displayed on the record. You can enter the date the photo was taken below, and any notes about the asset as well. The next tab is the Asset Maintenance tab. Here you can set up automatic job requests for the assets. Simply press Add and you will be given a form to fill out. We will set the date to this due in December. We will call it the monthly checkup. And you can set the lead time to 7 days. Which means that you will get a pop-up telling you this is due 7 days in advance. Choose the category. We'll say it's a PAT test, and then fill out the rest of the fields. The operative who's going to carry out the test, how much this will cost if it's an external contractor, but if it's within your school, then it will obviously cost nothing. And then you can choose how often this needs to be done. So once a month for the life of the asset, the next 5 years. You can upload associated documents such as a PAT test document, warranty documents, or even a completion of works document should a company come and service this asset. These can be uploaded using the interface here. and will be stored in a specific folder relating to the asset. You can also select a job type, subtype, and problem. When you're done, press save, and that will generate this every month for 5 years. So you can see they're all here now. This is the next one that's going to be due, so that's why it's orange. If you wish to turn this off, you can delete these asset records or turn the option off in Preferences. The final tab is where all the documents are stored. You can see there's a URL here. If you double click on that, you can store any files relating to the asset in the folder here. To finish, click Save at the top to confirm, and you will see that this has now been added to the list. The asset is now within your system.